and not kicking everything off the fridge. Mr. Muta. Come. What are you doing? This is almost as funny as you trying to climb the shed. Come on.
That was nearly up there.
That must have been a stretch. What are you trying to do? Are you actually trying to do a side kick? That was a front kick. Go to the side. Do a side kick. You know what a side kick looks like? You're supposed to do like a Van Damme move. Side is using your side angle. Come on. I believe in you. I believe you can do it.